working off camera. As you can see, I've drilled 4 holes here. So if I want to put it onto a piece of wood, that'd be good. I've just drilled 1 hole and drilled and tapped it. I'm putting it together, guys. So I put this one on there with the washer there, and I've just done this one there. I'm not sure if it's correct. Maybe you have to go into that one there. But this is like about 1/2 inch stroke in theory, roughly about there. This one I've trapped in between these two. So we're not going to adjust it with this thing here, up and down. I've got loads of things I can kind of do here. So I'm putting this into there. I thought of a lot of things. I'm thinking the nail will go there nicely in there, and maybe I'll trap the nail by super gluing one side or something like that. See what happens. I'm not sure what I'm going to do this side. I have made this strip for there, calculated roughly about 1 3/4 length from the hole there to there, kind of thing, and then we'll see if it works. Okay guys, so I made this thing with this thin wire we have to go through there to hold this thing down. I think this is the best thing I can do at the moment. Let's see how it works. Okay guys, so I've done that. I think this is the best way to do this. It kind of works for me. I think it's bleeding too much towards this way. Could fall down. Let me move this around the other way. See what happens there. So there it is, guys. I twisted it around that way. So it's a bit more sturdy now. See that? And I can always I'm going to put wood, and that's why I put these holes. Put it onto wood, so it should hold it good. I don't know if it will work now. I'm going to try this on air, then I'm going to try it on steam. I left this out long in case I need to make something to hold it there, but I think I might be alright with this. Okay guys, so I gotta time it now. So what I learned from Mr. P222 is that's gotta be at the top, which it is. Then this one has to be at the top as well, I think. So the air goes in, comes out. So let me see. I don't know if you can see this now. I'm holding the camera. I think that's at the top there. If I put that there, see what happens. Let's see what happens then. Hi guys, so I found that this is a bit wobbly. Can you see it? Can you see it a bit wobbly there? So I'm going to redo this plate and put some support there to help it. But I think these are very, very heavy. If I put a lighter one on, I think I'll get away with it. But let's see what happens. I might put a light one there, and also I might put support there. Let's see what happens.